Normally, if you update from one version of IGEMS to the next, so if you update from IGEMS 2019 to 2020, it's going to automatically copy over your shared folder, which has all your machine settings and such. So if I'm working on IGEMS 2020, if I go to this location here, C program data, IGEMS software, IGEMS 20, then under there we'll have a shared folder, and then under there you've got all your machine settings and post processors and materials and such. If, however, you're updating from, say, 2018 to 2020, it's usually not going to copy over that shared folder, and you'll have to manually copy that over. Or if you're doing a new installation of IGEMS on a new computer, you'll want to copy over your shared folder. And to verify where your shared folder is, in case you're working off of a network location or somewhere else, if you go to your CAD tab, so I'm in 2018, go to my CAD tab, click on System, and go to Shared Folder, then it will bring you to where that shared folder actually is that you're working off. In this case here, I'm working off of a network drive location, so if I had copied it from that C location, I would have been wrong and gotten the wrong file. So then basically you just can go up one level from there, and then you can copy this. So just right click and copy, or however you want to copy it, and then you can go ahead and open up your new IGEMS, or since you're right there in that folder anyways, you can just navigate to your location where you want to put it for your 2020 version. So if I want to put that on my C drive, I would just navigate to your C program data, and then IGEMS software, and then under this IGEMS you'll have your various versions, and then you go down into 2020, and then you can paste it into that location, and then you should have, if you open up 2020, then you should have all of your machines and materials and things as they were. And then again, if you want to verify where that is, go to your CAD tab, System, and Shared folder, and then this will open up your new location and should have your new machines and materials and everything. If you have any questions on that, let us know. Thanks.